Yeah.
W.
It doesn't sound all crazy anymore.
I know, right? Maybe we just needed a car wash. You're right.
Just wash the problem away.
Yeah. Hey, let's get back to the install.
What are we installing today?
All right, guys.
Now back to the main video.
Yay! All right.
All right.
All right, it only took all day. But it's time, baby. The mod that we've been waiting for the Ferrari. 3, 2, boom! New LED taillights from Morimoto. Did you zoom in? Did you zoom in? Hey, see? Ah, I already knew it. You're getting good at being the cameraman, man. Dude, I'm so excited to install these. They look beautiful. These are full LED tails. There's an O-ring. Should be pretty simple to install. It should be plug and play. I hope it is. We got all the harnesses. We got some hardware. Yeah, I think it should be plug and play. Ooh, we even got resistors. Nice. Before we install these guys, let me actually show you guys my original taillights on the Ferrari. They're special taillights. These may look like OEM tails, but they're actually custom taillights made by a really prestige JDM company, Car Shop Glow. If you look closely, you'll see that these are actual full LED custom tails. But they gotta go, because we got new taillights from Morimoto. Before we fully get rid of these tails, let me actually show you the tails on and working. All right, step on the brakes. There it is. You guys see all the LEDs? Now, let's compare these to our brand new Morimoto ones. If you guys didn't know, Car Shop Glow actually does custom tails, like the RX-7, for example. I had those tail lights on my RX-7 that we gave away, and I'm not sure if this has any special modes or anything, but maybe as we're taking it off, we'll find out. It's time to swap these Car Shop Glow tails to these brand new Morimoto LED ones. Ooh, it's hot! It smells.
What?
It's been a long, tough day, bro.
It's been a long one.
I want to see something else now.
The list of problems this car has.
Hey! What the? That was uncalled for. I just found something cool. Like there's this little thing. I thought it was a hood latch. Or like the trunk latch. But that doesn't make any sense. Why would anybody be inside here to pull that latch, right? Ready? Let's pull it together. Oh shit! Bet you guys didn't know that, huh? Come check this out, look. Essence sans plomb solamente nul bleffé.
What does that mean?
Italiano. Let's see, what? I bet you taking this tail light off is gonna be hella easy. That's literally it. Oh my god. Sei ma Italiana. Say, ma, are you Italiana? Something tells me that these are sequential. Like, actually, they're supposed to work like the RX-7 ones. Next one.
They got the sparkles all the way inside, huh?
Yeah. And oh shit! You're right.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah. What the? There you go.
Were these installed when you got the car?
These are custom, so whoever put the Liberty Walk kit did the LED tails at Car Shop Glow.
Car Shop Glow.
High quality custom car parts. All right, you ready, Kenny?
I'm ready.
Time for the moment of truth. Oh my God, they're beautiful.
Looks hella good on the car, actually.
It actually looks pretty freaking good, huh?
Like off the car, looks like kind of iffy, but on the car it looks kind of cool.
Oh my God, this may be the easiest taillight install I've ever done in my life. There you go. We're done with one. All right, there you go. Holy shit. Dude, they look sick on this car. I thought we blew the engine today. But instead, we're installing some sick ass tails. I thought I was gonna miss these. These look even better on the car, bro. That's crazy. It's just like a more modern version, you know? And I think that these taillights actually fit on the 430 as well. What do you think, hey?
Well, the same thoughts. Like off the car, I was kind of iffy. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, but Kenny made a really good point. Look.
But off the car, these don't look. Police sirens.
Yeah. Off the car, these even look even worse. All right, we've got everything hooked up. Let's compare the two.
What'd you say about this being the easiest taillight install?
I should keep my mouth shut. This shit is silicone shut in there. I've been working on this for like 40 minutes and I think it's finally breaking free. Get out! I'm just trying to install my new Morimoto lighting taillights. Link in the description below.
Morimoto XB taillights.
It's moving. It's moving, Kenny. Ah! Oh my God. Look at how much freaking silicone they put on this bitch, bro. Look at that shit. I need a break. Dude, the new taillights look so freaking good. And I jinxed myself once again though. I need to keep my mouth shut, guys. Ready? I'm just gonna show you guys. All right, Kenny, step on the brakes. Dude, these are freaking tough. That works, but check this out. For some reason, this side, the freaking ambers are on. The turn signals are on too. Whoever did the wiring at Car Shop Glow really messed this up.
Show them the turn signal.
Yeah, what, you want to see the turn signals? Go do the turn signals, Kenny. What the heck is the reverse? But those are bright as hell though. Car Shop Glow? More like Car Shop Blows. Pretty disappointed in that. The wiring is terrible. Unless I'm wrong, and it's because this is a JDM Ferrari. This car came from Japan. I do know that sometimes the harnesses are backwards. Morimoto, thank you for sending us over these tails for the Ferrari. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, seeing them like by themselves, I literally thought like this could look a little ricey. Now that they're on the car, I'm gonna be honest, they fit so well with the Liberty Walk kit. And they look so damn good too. And now that I think about it, that's why they share the same lights as the 430.
If you take a step back, it looks a lot more modern too.
Yeah, it really does. We're literally modernizing the Ferrari with the tails, the founder's headlights, and even the bags, and a whole interior upgrade coming soon as well. You know what? I'm gonna be giving these tail lights away to you guys. I've got 4 of them over here. So if you want, order anything off eliminate.com. Leave it in the notes that you want the Ferrari taillights. Yes, Car Shop Glow Ferrari taillights. I'll send it as is, I'll sign it, and I'll give 1 to each person. And we have 4 of these to give away to you guys. Instead of just throwing these away or putting them on the shelves for forever, you guys can own a piece of the Liberty Walk Ferrari. And you can win a car if you support it. Will this thing start and will it smoke again? Start it up, Kenny! Yeah, one more. I have no idea what is wrong. Oh well.
Washing your car fixes everything.
God damn it.
Just wash the problems away.
The vlog isn't over. I'm here at Extreme HID. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I didn't want to do the wiring. So my boys at Extreme HIDs though, they said pull the Rari in. We got your back. through and we're gonna test the taillights for the first time. And you guys are gonna see this with me. What's your name, bro?
What's up, guys? I'm Nico.
Hell yeah, Nico is the one that took care of us today. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. All right, go ahead, step on the brakes. Oh, that shit looks so good. Look at this. Hazards? Oh, yes, dude. It looks even brighter in person. We're literally gonna blind everybody. Look at that. Oh my God, dude, these tails are so perfect. Was it easy to repaint?
Pretty easy.
So my question now is it because it's a Japanese car or was it because the custom tails?
Custom tails.
It was the
It
custom
was
tails?
pinned differently.
Oh, it was, huh?
So I just need to swap a couple pins just to make it all.
Come on, man. Thanks for taking care of me.
Yes, sir. Anytime.
Guys, you'll never believe what just happened. Literally pumping gas at Costco. Because gas prices are freaking high. And the dude parked next to me, he just left, made fun of me for pumping gas at Costco while he was in his shitbox pumping gas at Costco. What? I literally told him ain't nothing wrong with saving money. That's how I literally own one of these. Some people will literally hate on anything. Guys, we're appreciating the new taillights and how they look at night. This thing looks so freaking hard. Oh my God. All right, I'm ready to end the vlog now. Peace.